Hello and welcome. You're watching Profit 360 on NDTV Profit, and I'm your host Pallavi Nahata. On this show, we bring to you the latest on markets as well as national and international news. The top story today is Maharashtra is under the spell of heavy monsoons. Lakes are overflowing and schools have been shut, whereas residential apartments are flooded. Waterlogging has disrupted traffic as well as train services. 3 people are also reported to be electrocuted in Pune, and the weather department has issued a red alert for Mumbai, predicting further extremely heavy rain. IMD Mumbai Director Sunil Kamble has said that Pune as well as neighboring areas have been issued orange alerts. NDTV Marathi's Juhi Jadhav brings us a ground report from Mumbai's Marine Drive.
Well, if you go to see, Mumbai is facing heavy rainfall since last night, and the latest guidelines that has been given by the IMD department is they have issued red alert till tomorrow morning 8:30 a.m. If you go to see, I am standing at Marine Lines, Mumbai, which is a very famous destination where people come here to enjoy rain. But apart from this, if we go to see, there are many rails that have been affected. Rail services are affected. Rails are running 15 to 20 minutes late. Also, waterlogging has started in many areas. Due to waterlogging, the road transport has also affected. If we go to see, this has also caused disruption at Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, as many flights were cancelled due to bad weather. But now they have given an update that the problem has been resolved and the flights are on time. Now for next few hours, Mumbai will be facing heavy rainfall, and IMD has issued a new guideline that they have given red alert for Mumbai till tomorrow morning 8:30 am. Also, in addition, I would like to say that the Andheri subway has been shut for people as there is water logging in that area. But not only in Andheri, also the streets of Mumbai have been flooded, which has caused heavy traffic jams. Now, after Mumbai, if we see other cities of Maharashtra, Pune and Kolhapur are affected severely. In Pune, there have been 3 persons who have died at 3 a.m. in the morning. They were shifting their stalls from the Z bridge. They have been declared dead, and many residential societies are facing waterlogging inside the societies. Rescue operations have reached the place, and they are trying to rescue people who have been stuck in their apartments. Also, the schools have been shut down in Pune. Not only in Pune, even in Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Thane districts, the schools have been declared holiday. Apart from Pune, if you go to see, Kolhapur is also disrupted. Kolhapur is also affected due to heavy rainfall. The Radhanagari Dam, the Krishna River have been overflown. So that is the reason that the people in the nearby cities have been asked to move to a safer place, and also the rescue operation are helping them to move to safer places. If we go to see, this is the situation of all over Maharashtra. Red alert has been issued till tomorrow morning 8:30 a.m.